Okay, friends, today we are going to talk about magic E and what it does to our vowels. So, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So, under the A, we know that our A can be a capital A or it can be a lowercase a. Our E also can be uppercase or capital and lowercase. Our I the same way. Remember, we make sure that our I's do not have lollipops. Our O's and our U's. Okay, these are our vowels. Our vowels have different sounds and they say their names in different ways. They have a long sound and a short sound. We've gone over those before, but we're going to be talking about their long vowel sound today, about how they say their name. So when A says its name, it says A. E says E. I says I. O says O, and U says U. When it says its name, it's saying what the vowel is called. When sneaky E gets involved or magic E gets involved, it does something where when a vowel used to not say its name, it makes it say its name. So for example, we have the word pen, like a clothespin, something that would be put on your clothes. The I there says eh, pen, eh. Now if we add an E at the end, now it says another word that we're going to write out. It says a word called pine, like a pine tree. With magic E, what it does is it makes the E goes back and it tells the vowel, say your name. So instead of saying eh, like in pin, it's going to say I, like pine. Same thing for tap. Our word tap over here, the A says ah, tap, ah. Well, when we add an E to the end, we have another word, and that word is called tape. Tape. And the E here went back and said, hey, say your name. And so now you have the A saying A instead of ah like it did in tap. Same thing with our friend A in the word can. Okay? So in the word can, our friend A says I can, right? But then when we add an E, it changes the word to a new word called cane. Your grandma or grandpa may walk with a cane. And the E here said, hey, A, say your name. And now it says cane, ain, a, instead of not saying its name. And we're going to do the same thing for our last word, hop. Ah is what the O is saying in this word. It's saying ah, but we add an N, and now it does not say that anymore because the E is saying that, hey, oh, you need to say your name. So instead of hop, we now have hope, where it says oh, ope. Okay, remember that an E can make the vowel. An E, a magic E, makes the vowel say its name. You have a great example right here, okay? We took out this E. I'm just gonna erase it. Bye-bye, E. It says nam. But if we add the magic E at the end, it says name, aim. Okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed learning about magic E.